In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Calendar effectively in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having a well-organized calendar is crucial for keeping track of your commitments and maximizing your productivity. And Notion Calendar is a fantastic tool to help with that. Let's get started by opening the Notion Calendar app. You can access it straight from your browser, ensuring you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Alternatively, if you prefer working offline or just want quicker access, you can download the Notion Calendar desktop application. It offers the same features but makes handling your schedule even more convenient with the app nestled right on your desktop. Once you've accessed Notion Calendar, the first thing you'll need to do is sign in. If you haven't signed in yet, use your Google account. This is necessary not only to securely authenticate your identity, but also because Notion Calendar utilizes your Google account to sync data seamlessly across devices, giving you an all-encompassing view of your schedule anywhere, anytime. Next, you'll want to connect your Google account with Notion Calendar to maximize its functionality. Look to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find a button labeled Twice Add Calendar Account. Clicking this lets you link your existing Google account, essentially integrating all your digital plans into one space. If you're someone juggling multiple schedules, such as personal, work, or family, the neat feature within Notion allows you to connect multiple calendars. This invaluable tool means all your different commitments are displayed in one organized interface, saving you the hassle of switching between different platforms. Now, let's personalize your Notion calendar. Begin by going to Settings, which you can access by clicking on your profile image. In the Settings menu, click on Add a Workspace. This action connects the calendar to your Notion workspace, allowing for a smoother flow of data between tasks and schedule, keeping everything you need in sync and at your fingertips. For a deeper level of integration, consider adding a Notion database. This step is ideal for creating a more dynamic and interactive system with your data. However, it's essential to ensure your chosen database has either a calendar or timeline view enabled. Only then can you guarantee syncing works correctly with Notion Calendar, letting you exploit the full potential of your setup. With these steps, you're now prepared to navigate your daily schedule with ease and clarity using the Notion Calendar. Dive into your plans more confidently, knowing all your information is organized and accessible. Happy planning!